Hi, hello everyone. I hope you're doing good. Today, in my channel, The Slow Whisk, let's prepare puri and aloo sagu. I don't know for whatever reason it's called Bombay sagu at home, but it is called Bombay sagu. Boil 3 potatoes until they are soft, and then in a plate you take whole wheat flour, add some salt. In a frying pan, heat up some oil and mix it to this whole wheat flour. Be careful, it might be hot, so use a spoon to mix it. Then add water and form a stiff dough. I have shown what kind of texture you need for the puri. Why do we add hot oil? Well, it adds crispiness to the puris. Once the dough is formed, put a damp cloth on it and rest it for some time. Usually we make puris on Sundays at home. When the puris puff up in the oil, now that's an amazing scene to watch. They are beautiful to look at, and it gives you a kind of satisfaction when you know that you can make puris that puff up. Now this is the texture we're looking for to make our puffy and fluffy puris. Once that is done, let's start preparing for the aloo or the potato sagu. I have used the same cooker in which I boiled the potatoes. You could use any other frying pan. Now in a mixie jar, add roasted Bengal gram, cumin seeds, coriander, poppy seeds, a hint of fresh coconut, and grind it to a fine paste. Then take 2 chilies, cut them into small pieces, add, and also you can cut some onion. I've taken 1 onion here, I've cut it into small pieces. While I'm preparing for the sagu, the potatoes are boiled and they're steaming hot. I am peeling the skin and dicing it into small pieces. You can dice it and keep it ready for the sagu. Once done, now let's take a frying pan and add some oil. You don't have to worry about the measurements, I have given it. It's available on the screen. Take some oil, add mustard seeds, chana dal, let it crackle, add some curry leaves. In fact, curry leaves helps aid digestion. Add some green chilies, and once they are slightly turn different color, then you can add the onions and fry them till they are translucent. Once that is done, I have boiled some peas and kept it aside. I've added peas and salt. Adding salt at this stage helps cooking the onions and peas faster. Also, you can add a little bit of turmeric and a little water so that it does not burn. Now add in the fine paste and let it cook for some time. After a few minutes, you can add in the tomatoes. You can add tomatoes at this stage, or you could add it before adding the boiled peas too. Once you feel the tomatoes are cooked, you can add in the potatoes and adjust the water consistency. Make sure it's of a gravy consistency so that when you eat with the puri, you get in every bite a nice feel in your mouth. Once that is done, now you can start preparing for your puris. I'm rolling up the dough so that it's nice and firm when I start making the puris. I'm making equal sized round discs, and here we start rolling the puris. Once the puris are rolled, let them rest for a few minutes. I usually use oil to roll the puris. I don't use flour. I use oil so that it does not soak up more oil than this when I'm frying the puris. I usually keep all the puris ready, probably about 6 to 8 ready at a time, so that I can fry and people can start eating them as soon as they are ready. Add puris one by one to oil. If you have a bigger frying pan, you could do 2 or 3 at a time. But if this is your first time, I would tell you to enjoy making these puris. Now look at them. Don't they look amazing? Oh, we enjoyed having these puris at home. Do let me know in the comment section, how did your puris turn out? And did you enjoy, and did your family enjoy eating them? If you like this content, the recipes I share, please do consider subscribing to my channel. See you all soon.